Hey guys, what I have here is the ASSA d12. This is the level 2 security version, so it does have the elongated pin. Here's the key. So the elongated pin interacts with this bitting on the part of the lower part of the key, and the pin actually extends through the bottom of this warding and then comes out at, down here. Another thing that's different about this lock is it comes with a blue plastic key, and this is like the key card. It's what you would use to get more keys made. I'm going to get started here. I'm going to be using the same tools as I did on the last one, which is a 40 thousandths pry bar and my Southord slimline hook. I'm going to look for a binder. Got some rotation there. This lock was given to me by a member on key picking, which I'm grateful for because I had a lot of trouble finding one over here in the States. Now to check the long pin, I just do the same thing. I flip my pick on its side and then twist up. I'm not sure if it's set there. I'm pretty sure I just set it there. So we should be close to getting this open now. Yep, and there we go. So that was the ASSA d12 level 2, or security level 2 picked. I'm going to get this thing gutted now. So I'm going to do the same thing as when I gutted the first one, which is I'm going to take the drivers out first. There's this rod that goes over the top of the spring, so I'm going to push this out. And I'm going to pull out the springs. The elongated pin, I don't really think it makes this lock any more difficult to pick than the first one. It's pretty easily accessible from the bottom of the keyway. Now I'm going to remove this steel ring, and then I'll be able to pull out the plug. I carefully pull this out here. So here we have the ASSA d12 level 2, all the pins for this. You can see the wings on the sides of the key pins, and then on that 5th pin, that's the elongated pin. You can see that cutout on the side, so that's so it doesn't block the key. And then if we have a look at the plug here, you can see the countermilling in the plug, and then on either side of the chambers is where the wings fit into. And then in this lock, in that 5th position, so the second one from the end, that's where the elongated pin goes through the warding. So that's been the ASSA d12 level 2 picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, guys.